Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility, motherboard lanes, PSU wattage, and physical slots. Once confirmed, install each GPU in its slot and connect dedicated power cables. Next, boot and install the latest vendor drivers, then disable any automatic SLI or NVLink grouping to prevent driver conflicts. Also set the operating system power plan to high performance and allocate sufficient system RAM for transfers. These first steps remove common bottlenecks and prepare the system for multi-GPU configuration without SLI. Once done with hardware and drivers, configure the operating system to treat GPUs as separate devices and assign them explicitly for compute or display roles. Install or update middleware like CUDA, OpenCL, or DirectML so both cards have compatible runtimes. Then, in the application or render engine, set device ID or preferences to target each GPU for different workloads. For example, one card for rendering and one for baking or simulation. This avoids implicit load balancing and ensures predictable performance across both GPUs. Finally, validate the setup with representative workloads and monitor temperatures, PCIe throughput, and RAM usage to confirm each GPU is doing the expected work. If you encounter instability, make sure to swap GPUs between slots to rule out a bad slot, update the motherboard BIOS, and individually verify power rail voltages. If problems persist, collect system logs and run vendor diagnostic utilities to find driver conflicts or resource contention. One key tip: re-enable default profiles only after confirming separate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.